Welcome to Creative Devotionals by Rays. And today, we will be showing you how to use Canva AI or artificial intelligence for the first time, and after, we will give an honest review. So we did open our Canva app, click the template button, click the three bars on the top left side, then also click the Canva AI button, which is Canva's newest feature. We clicked the Design for Me and Social Media buttons, then chose a template, which is the Facebook post. After that, we pasted the Bible verse we want. After the templates were generated, we clicked More Designs button. We still haven't found the template that we liked, so we clicked with Pictures of Open Bible and Peaceful Sunrise button. I prefer something that's cute, so ask the Canva AI to generate with cute graphics. How about with kawaii graphics? Maybe I will just choose the first templates generated. After I chose the template, here's how it can be edited. I tried changing the color. By the way, don't forget to hit subscribe for more video tutorials like this. Let's try editing it using the Canva editor. So after using the Canva AI, I was a bit disappointed since it didn't create the template I wanted, but maybe next time I will just make a clear instructions, because the options I previously clicked were incorporated to my next instructions. By the way, please watch the next video tutorial on how to use the Canva editor with step-by-step guide. After using the Canva editor, I was able to generate the picture for my social media post. If you liked it, let me know.